Find the best mini table saws on Amazon and AliExpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best mini table saws on the market. 1. TruePower 010805 Mini Mitre Saw. It accepts 3'-318 diameter blades. This machine has different accessories included in its package. The different accessories included in the package include carbide-tipped blade, spanner, wrench and a detailed operating manual. 2. TruePower 010819 Mini Electric Table Saw has a wobble-free blade design. The product has a sliding cross-cut guide bar with 2 table channels. It utilizes electric power. 3. Goplus 4 Mini Electric Table Saw. Table Saw 8500 RPM Hobby 3/4. Depth of cut. Has a blade diameter of 4 inches. Unlike the ordinary blade, this blade is large enough to ensure that thick tables are cut without difficulty. 4. Proxxon 37070 FET Table Saw. It can be used to cut different objects. These objects include wood, non-ferrous metals, plastics, glass fiber reinforced sheets and many other materials. Sleek design and portable. 5. TruePower 919 High-Speed Mini Mitre Cut-Off Saw. The product includes a 2-blade and table clamp 7800 RPM motor. This ensures that the blade is strong enough to cut any material subject to it without failure. 6. Outdoor Sport 010819 Mini Electric Table Saw features 2 blades, a 24-tooth carbide tip blade and a diamond-coated tile blade. Wobble-free blade, designed for precision cuts. 7. SKIL 3386 012.5 amp 9-inch band saw. The motor is 1 speed for wood or metal-based materials. This is to ensure that efficiency and effectiveness are maintained at the highest level irrespective of the type of material. 8. Proxxon 37160 kg S80 Micro Chop Saw has 100 to 120 volts AC, 200 watts, 56 GHz, 4000 RPM motor. This is powerful enough to carry out its functions without any compromise. Integrated tightening mechanism. This comes with self-cantering clamps to ensure that cutting is accurately done. 9. Rockwell BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw with steel rip fence. It sets up in seconds. Setting will take you less time as the product is not complicated. It includes a vacuum port, a mitre gauge and a 55-piece starter blade set.